I'm Brad Wilson with King Electrical Manufacturing Company, and today we're going to discuss the LPW series Architectural Wall Heater. But what is an architectural wall heater? They are designed for commercial and industrial areas requiring higher kW ratings and quick recovery. These units provide a burst of heat in areas affected by cold drafts or are exposed to wide temperature swings, such as entryways or large hallways and corridors. Designed specifically for high traffic areas in public spaces, the LPW heater features a heavy-duty aluminum grill attached with tamper-resistant screws, preventing the unauthorized disassembly of the grill, and rugged enough that it can withstand heavy traffic and abuse. The built-in thermostat also features a tamper-resistant design and is secured behind the grill, preventing unwanted adjustment from the temperature settings. The LPWA uses King's exclusive picowatt steel fin heating element for maximum heat transfer and allows customers to select from a range of wattages, tailoring the heater to an area's specific heating requirements, capable of delivering up to 4,500 watts. The large impeller fan produces enough airflow to maintain temperatures in entryways and hallways, preventing drafts from entering the building's core. And a sleek, modern appearance and the available 4 designer color finishes: silver, white, bronze, or black. The LPW perfectly matches any architectural design. Upgrades are available, like the CT24 transformer relay that converts the control voltage from 240 volt down to 24 volt so the unit can be controlled by a remote 24 volt thermostat. The HLR, which stands for Heat Lockout Relay option, is available for tying the unit into a building management system, preventing the unit from ever turning on when the air conditioning system is operating. We also have an available double pole disconnect option that ensures the unit is positively off prior to the unit being serviced. An optional surface mount can is also available, allowing the unit to be installed on the surface of the wall, simplifying the installation and providing a unique designer element in the space. So thanks for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel.